Welcome to this channel. I'm glad you click on this video. Today I'll be sharing with you how I designed this Christmas greeting flyer. I am Ayodeji Peter. I will be right back. Welcome back. In case you are new to this channel or a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to put on your notification so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, first thing I will be doing here is creating a new document. I will be creating a document of 8 by 5 inches. After created the document, import the image you want to use as the background. In case you are using the same picture I'm using here that doesn't cover all the space, what you just have to do is to fill the remaining space. To fill this space, you can make use of rectangle selection tool. Select this area and right click, then select fill. Oh, I haven't rasterized the layer. Rasterize the layer and retry the last step. You can see the space have been filled up. Now I will be adding logo and the name. After adding the logo and the name, proceed to adding of text. You can copy the color code I use and add other text before arrangement. Now let's begin with changing of font. I'll be using different fonts for this design. The font I use for this is Comic and make it all capital letter. Then add warp text effect. Choose the arc upper style and adjust the bending ratio. The font I use for this Merry Christmas is Christmas Time and change the font size. Put wish you at this side. I know you'll be wondering what this number are doing here. Change the font to Christmas Time and it will change to Christmas icon. Increase the size and place it at the bottom. You can reduce the opacity if you wish to. Now make adjustments if needed and change the overlay color of the logo and name to red. Save it as JPEG. Let's preview and see the outcome. Here is the end of the lesson. If you find this lesson helpful, please kindly like and drop a comment in the comment box. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to put on your notification so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.